What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Will Motivation, back again with another video. And today, we're talking about real talk. Without money, you are nothing. At least, that's what one of my channel comments said when referring to me. Roughly 2,500 square feet. So, major cities in the United States, you would jump all over that if you were smart. So I started coming out to Colombia many years ago, probably, that I'm not anything without money. I'm a nobody. That's what the gentleman said in my comment section. So I said, you know what? Maybe he's right. Maybe I am a nobody without money. As you guys know, if this is your first time watching my channel, and maybe the title of this video caught your attention. On my channel, I like to share my experiences owning supercars. And a lot of times the videos are of me taking delivery of different cars in my collection. Like I have a Ferrari F8 Spider, I have a Lamborghini Huracan, I've had Lamborghini Aventadors on my channel. I have a BMW M4. I have a bunch of different cars, right? And I am often taking delivery of those cars, modifying those cars, sharing the experiences, talking about the expenses. But as you can see, the name of my channel is Will Motivation. So I like to use the cars to bring people to my channel, but the real meaning behind my channel and the purpose for my channel is to motivate people through our common interest in cars. But the question is, a lot of times people think I'm flexing. A lot of times people think my channel is all about the money, because I make a lot of videos where I try to show people how to get the money. So the question now is, if I did not have the money, or without the money, am I just a nobody? I think the answer to the question is obvious, because at different stages in our lives, we may or may not have money, right? But just because you don't have money does not make you a nobody. And just because you don't have money does not mean you are nothing. But it brings up a good point, because you can amount to nothing. You can decide to be a nobody, but it has nothing to do with money. It has to do with the impact that you have on others. So what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is, when you're dead and gone from the earth, will you be missed? The answer is no. Then maybe you did not have much of an impact on those around you. The answer is yes. Then my question is, why? Why will you be missed? Likely because you had a positive impact on someone else's life, and you will be missed for that reason, which automatically makes you a somebody and not a nobody. It automatically makes your life worthwhile, because other people need you, they like you, they love you, they appreciate you. And to me, that has nothing to do with money. And on this channel, for those of you guys that have probably subscribed, you've hit that subscribe button, you probably see what my intentions are with this channel. My intentions are with this channel are to help people to use the cars. It's kind of like clickbait. You get people to click to see what they want to see about the cars, but then stay to gain something that I'm willing to share through those experiences. And the big part of the experience with the things that the money can buy, like the cars, the houses, the investments, the travel, like I'm here right now in Medellin, Colombia. My home base is in Columbus, Ohio. So you might be wondering, what is this dude doing down in Medellin, Colombia? That's an expensive plane ticket. I brought friends and family down with me to enjoy the holidays, to enjoy the festivities, to enjoy the fruits of some of my labor, having some investment properties in Medellin, Colombia, and being able to share that with other people. But you may wonder why. And maybe that's something that you aspire to do, to be able to do, to invest in real estate, to be able to travel, to be able to share some things with your friends and family, enjoy some good times, and maybe have a positive impact on other people that are around you. But let's take away the money, let's take away the material, and let's talk about the impact that you can have. So my belief is that we are here for a purpose, and that purpose is to do the best with the cards that we are dealt in life. So whatever those cards are that you're dealt in life, you make the best out of the situation. You try to have a positive impact on other people. And that to me has nothing to do with money. It has more to do with how you treat people, how you move, whatever gifts and abilities you're given, you make the most out of them. And you try to make a positive impact on the world and leave the world a better place after you having been here and having that impact. And like I said, it has less to do with money and more to do with your actions, your accomplishments, how you treat people. And then when you do come across some money, you start making money, what do you do with it? Do you hoard it all and make your life better but forget everybody else? Or do you share whatever it is that you've accomplished or earned with that money or whatever? Do you share that with those that are around you? My belief, and for me, it's no fun for me to have supercars. It's no fun for me to have houses in other countries unless I can share those experiences with people that I like, that are around me, people that I care about, people that I love and appreciate. To be able to drive my cars, to be able to share those experiences, those feelings, those those engagements, to have the spot here in Colombia, to be able to share it with my mom, to be able to share it with my best friends, my brothers, my sisters, and all enjoy it. Because to be honest, I feel like if a lot of people might give me the credit for making some money and being able to do something, but I give those around me part of the credit as well, because I feel like I wouldn't be who I am if it were not for those that are around me, making me who I am, keeping me who I am, and allowing me to enjoy these things because I'm not by myself. You see what I'm saying? So let this be a lesson to you, that to understand that success is not just about money. Success is about being able to accomplish something, setting goals, meeting those goals, and then being able to share and enjoy sharing that experience and that positive thing that you may have had, sharing that with people that you care about and that you love, that are around you and that support you, sharing your wins with them, because that multiplies that good feeling. And you'll probably be missed when you're gone, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, the title of this video is Real Talk. You're nothing without money. And that's what they say. But I want you to know the truth is money has nothing to do with it unless you're using it as a tool to make not only your life better, but those around you to make their life better as well, and to enjoy it and appreciate it. So I'm here in Medellin, Colombia. I'm enjoying the holidays with my family. I brought my mom down, my sister down, my brother down. We're visiting my brother that lives here. My best friends are here with me as well. My buddy Reg, who works with me, his mom came down, and we're just enjoying it. So I'm just gonna share this family moment with you guys, hanging out with my mom and my friends and family, and taking an excursion here in Colombia and just sharing some good times, some memories. And remember, it's not about the money, it's about your effect and impact on others. So let's all be positive and let's keep pushing forward. And remember, in life, you got to figure out what you want and act accordingly. If you don't know what that means, real simple. Do a bunch of things till you figure out what it is you want. Once you know what you want, you got to act like you want it. And sometimes that means figuring out what to do based on what other people do that have the things that you want. You got to figure out how to do those same things by studying those people. So that's what this channel is about. If you got questions, ask them. Drop me a comment. Let me know your thoughts on it. Are we nothing without money? Or does how we use the money define who we are? You know what I'm talking about? Enjoy the rest of this video. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Will Motivation, back again with another video. And today, we are in Carmen del Viboral. It's like a little, I don't know what you would call it. It's like a little pueblo in some part of, close to Medellin. So I'm gonna take you guys along with us for the journey. We're gonna get something to eat, take you guys out, and see what it's all about. Let's go. All right, so we just sit down for, what do you call this? About to have lunch. So y'all check out what we're gonna eat.
We got trout on the menu.
There go Reg's mom. Reg and Reg's mom. We got food. We got poop.
No quieres estar en video?
And it's like a typical Christmas thing. It's sort of like, it's not flan, but it's sort of like flan.
But this is not.
Pequeño así como esto, yo puedo.
Robalo.
Who had fish?
Who had the Robalo?
Yeah, bad.
Video of it. What's that, Reg?
Your honeymoon was in Acapulco.
Oh, I ordered that. All right, so we got some good old steak and potatoes. They got a little bit of fish. Yep. My mom got the steak as well. What's that, manga paisa? She got a little bit of everything. She got a little fancy feast.
She ordered the lobster.
We got some banana, mucho comida. They got fish. It's all they're popping. Who got the band? All right, so she's trying out this food right here. This is our tour guide. What's your name, tour guide? Masamona. Her name is Masamona. Tu nombre? Masamona. Now I don't know what this is. It's some kind of corn sauce. It's mice. I'm sorry, it doesn't look that appealing to me. I'm gonna keep it 100% real with y'all. That was some old basic stuff. I'm noticing a theme here is a lot of food left over on people's plates. Not on his. She ate hers, but she's from here. He's eating his. He was hungry though.
You know what?
Oh, they working stuff out.
I'd rather eat that than rice pudding.
It's the same thing, but corn instead of rice, and no sugar. I eat rice pudding all day over that. Mom, how you making out? It's good, Mom. It's good. Following along.
There's one allá en donde comimos antes.
All right, so we're in this plaza here now. This is like a typical Pueblo type of thing. And we got the church back there. They went inside and started sizzling. They went in the church to start sizzling. But so this is what like a typical. They have concerts here at night right in front of the church. They got it goes down here at nighttime though. You know what I'm saying? It goes down. This is our tour guide.
Jeremy. You said that way. Yeah. That's what you said when we left.
All right, so we're gonna do a little tour. Aguardiente, right in front. The church is sponsored by Aguardiente. You know, one thing that's bad about Colombia is they make people work behind bars. And it's like, nah, this is not. This is actually a place where they make the stuff and they sell it, and she's in there making it.
Known for the artists who live here.
There's dogs running around everywhere. This is crazy. So let's take a walking tour, man. Let's take a little walking tour. Let's go. This is what Colombia looked like. They got the Toyotas out here. They got the... Give y'all a little taste of Colombia. How you doing, Mom? You good?
That's a thing down here. That's what you do.
The one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. I'm here to tell you guys to go to Wheel Motivation. The exotic cars is crazy. I've been watching this show for a little while now and it's growing. But we need everybody else to subscribe to Wheel Motivation and support Will. I'm supporting them. You do the same.